Did you know that drones have evolved from simple flying toys to sophisticated machines that can capture stunning aerial footage? So, what features could the DJI 3S have that'll change the game for drone enthusiasts? Let's dive into this exciting world. Today, we're talking about the DJI 3S drone. This drone is generating some serious buzz in the drone community. With its sleek design and advanced tech, it's already got everyone talking about what makes it so special. So, let's set the stage for what you can expect from this intriguing model. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, before we get into the juicy details, let's talk about some common challenges that drone users face today. Battery life is a huge one. Nobody wants their drone to die mid-flight, right? Then there's camera quality. We all want that crystal clear, high-resolution footage, but many drones just can't deliver. And ease of use? Well, navigating some of these gadgets can be like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. So how does the DJI 3S aim to tackle these issues? That's what we're here to explore. Exploration/development. Let's jump into the rumored features and specs of the DJI 3S. There are whispers that it could have an extended battery life, giving you more time in the air. Imagine flying for over 30 minutes without worrying about landing. Plus, the camera is said to be a major upgrade, possibly featuring a larger sensor for better low-light performance. If that's true, we're talking about some seriously epic shots. And ease of use? There are rumors about improved controls and smarter flight modes that could make flying this drone a breeze, even for beginners. When you stack these features against previous models, it's clear DJI is stepping up its game. Climax/key moment. Now, here's the kicker, the most exciting feature that could change everything for drone enthusiasts. Reports suggest that the DJI 3S could come with obstacle avoidance technology that's next level. Picture this, flying your drone with confidence, knowing it can detect and avoid obstacles automatically. This could really open up new possibilities for capturing shots in tight spaces or complex environments. Just imagine the creative potential. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap it all up, the DJI 3S could tackle some of the biggest challenges drone users face today, like battery life, camera quality, and ease of use, with some seriously exciting features. It's clear that DJI is aiming to not just meet expectations but to exceed them. The future of drones is looking pretty bright. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What are you hoping to see in the DJI 3S? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for more cool drone content, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you guys think.